Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, igama lami ngulungelo Dlamini, ngihlala eMlazi. Igama business yami Keku's Trading. What motivated me to start my business was I'm in the food industry, and in the food industry I use a lot of cleaning detergents because I use it to wash my dishes, my pots, and also my uniform. So my company offers cleaning detergents from state bleach to cherry multi-purpose cleaner to dishwashing liquid and chili sauce. And we have other products that we do not have here, like fabric softener, pine disinfectant, and pine gel. Abantu why kumele bathenga i-product yami is because amasosi ami nje number 1 100% homemade, and ngumuntu ohlala elokishini. I know how ibhabhalazi is, so amasosi ami number 1 ngibhabhalazi. Size kuma cleaning detergents. Ama-cleaning detergents ethu ane-quality, a-strong, ane-form, a-right, anayo yonke into oyidingayo. La mawuklina ngawo indlu yakho nje isala inuka kahle, yonke into esendlini inuka kahle, and we are promising you good quality. Oh, my phone number is 06912999512, and my Facebook page is Keku's Food and Keku Dlamini Detergents. Hi, my name is Lungelo. I'm a township entrepreneur.